Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem faced by Golang developers that involves optimizing code for concurrent execution. The problem arises when trying to use a custom assembly function, which utilizes AVX512 operations in a concurrent setting. The function is designed to check if a group of players are holding a poker hand by representing hands as in 64-bit sets. Everything runs smoothly until the function is called concurrently, leading to unexpected behavior. Now, let's talk about the solution that can save the day. The key here lies in returning the result in a manner that aligns with the Go calling convention. By making a simple adjustment to the code and using AVX512 rep plus red_off, we can properly return the result and ensure that the function performs as intended, even in a concurrent environment. This small but crucial tweak eliminates the issues caused by concurrent goroutines overriding registers and allows the function to work seamlessly. In summary, understanding the intricacies of the Go calling convention and making the appropriate adjustments can make all the difference when working with custom assembly functions in a concurrent setup. By implementing the suggested solution, you can ensure that your code runs smoothly and efficiently, even when multiple goroutines are at play. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!